When it comes to creating your own Fiverr gigs, it is kind of important for you to do your research before you create any particular gig. And the gig that I have up, as you can see, I have a bunch of them. I actually right now have up to 12 of them at the same exact time. You'll be able to see which ones are doing good and which ones are not doing as well as they should actually do. Now, there's a few things that you can do here, one of which you can accept custom orders within your gigs, and that's a feature you should always have on. The next feature here is another location where you can put if you're going on a vacation. So if you're going to go on vacation, just put it up there, and here you can put the reason. And there is more than one kind of vacation you can go. If you're overbooked, you'll be back soon, or you are on actual vacation. And then when you select the one you want, all you have to do is just select for how long you want your vacation to actually last. So if you're going away for 3 weeks to Hawaii, that's definitely what you should be doing. So you'll be putting that I am on vacation, and this is something that the buyers are going to see as well, and you can tell them what you're actually doing. So if you're overbooked, you can tell them that as well, so now they know that you've been swamped with orders and you're Mr. Popular, and they might actually want to put more orders with you as soon as you remove this particular feature from your gigs. So the next thing that you want to do here is we're going to be looking at what kind of gigs I have and which ones are doing pretty good. So we're going to go into the last 6 months, and you can see here which ones are getting the most impressions. This one was getting 5,000K, which is a humongous amount of impressions that I'm getting for this particular gig. And as you can see, if you get over 1,000 impressions for any particular gig of yours, you definitely are gonna get sales. As you can see, I'm getting sales when I have a few thousand impressions for it. Well, else when I have a lot less than that, I'm not getting any sales whatsoever for my particular gigs. And this one is actually the one that's getting the most impressions, and this one is getting me pretty good sales too. So it is related. The more exposure, the more impressions you're getting for your gigs. And impressions, all it means that somebody clicked on your gig, they checked it out, and they liked what they see. Versus some other gigs, we have a very small amount of impressions, which means not enough exposure for them. And small exposure also means that this particular gig is not going to do this well as the one that has thousands of people who are checking it out.